Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add background music to your voice in Adobe Audition. First of all, you have to choose multiple tracker. Click here, you can see left top right left corner. Click on that and simply just click on OK. Here you can see where track 1, track 2 and track 3. First of all, you have to open your voiceover, which is this one. Simply click. Just from there, if this kind of option is come, just simply double click on a unit session 1 and just simply drag that audio into track 1. Now you have to choose your background music. Now this is background music, so you can just simply.
I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your.
So this is the background music. If you want to reduce the background music voice audio, just simply drag uh, in bottom to this line. Simply do this.
47th president and your 45th. Cut to narrator voiceover or on.
It will reduce the background voice noise. So if this tutorial found helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.